hello! Guess where I am? Well, you're probably not able to guess. I am in Oslo in Norway and I'm here to try out an e-bike. I have never tried an e-bike before, and so Shimano have invited me over to try their kind of new e-bike system. So I was like, do you know what? I've just ridden from London to John O'Groats. I think I probably should try an e-bike just to give my legs a little bit of a rest. So I'm just gonna literally get on it now, try it for the first time, and then tomorrow we are going to be doing a little bit of a city tour around Oslo and just taking the bikes out. And I've always wanted to try an e-bike and just never got around to it. So I'm going to try it out, let you know what I think of it, how it feels, and yeah. So that is pretty much it for today. It's beautiful. Like, how lovely is this sunset? So yeah, we're going to do that now and I'll see you later on. That is so much fun! And I think we're gonna get some food soon, and then the only problem is tomorrow the weather is meant to be pretty wet, so it might be on the GoPro, but we shall see. Good morning. Today is, I don't even know what day it is, Friday? And we're at the Shimano steps, kind of, hey! Sorry, Robbie was just making me laugh. So yeah, oh my god, no, go somewhere else! What are you doing to me? Right. So basically we're going to go out and test the Shimano e-bikes, but it's absolutely pelting down with rain. Hence the waterproof jacket, and I'm leaving this camera here because it is, in fact I'll show it you. How bad is the rain?
The bad is the rain. The rain is pretty bad. But you know what? We're from the UK. It doesn't matter.
We're used to, yeah,
we're used to this. This is standard.
You're not taking your camera though, are you?
I'm not taking my camera, no. But I am wearing a hat to repel the rain. Only because I've got glasses.
Oh yeah. You won't be able to see where
and
you're
also
going.
the helmets don't fit.
Actually not.
Well, me, because I got a massive head. First world problems.
Right, let me show you the rain. Oh! Oh my god! That's glass! Let's start this again. So we're here to test out Shimano e-bike. No, we're going to go out. I've got my GoPro, so the bit of footage that we're going to have on the ride will be GoPro footage, and we shall see how we get on. I'm very excited.
Oh wait, hang on a sec, I was going to get you in. I don't even know how you work these. Oh, hang on a sec, the power button.
Turn it on, okay.
Wait.
You ready?
So pretend
I'm just going to pretend that
you're vlogging, you're chatting. Is that how you do it? Oh,
just pretend.
There we go!
My thanks.
Oh, hello.
See how we get on with it.
Okay.
Shake it like a Polaroid picture.
I put it in echo
Yeah.
on automatic, and if you wanted more assistance, you change to normal
Yeah.
and to high.
Okay, perfect.
And down there.
Woo! Look at the rain. It seems even more fun, I think, because it's raining. Wow! I feel it!
I'm loving it.
It is like chucking it down. Look at our legs.
Winning at leg line.
You're used to this.
I'm used to this.
You're from the UK.
Yeah, I suppose.
Look at your jacket.
It's not waterproof either, I just ran it out. I have a waterproof jacket.
Oh look, like this is how wet. That is what colour they were to start.
Going off road.
Did you all like that?
Are you as dry as me?
I am so dry, it's unbelievable.
I really like your two-tone leggings.
Do you know what? Two-tone, baby.
That's
Go away.
You know
Look
what?
at that.
You know what's worse? These are brand new jeans, so I'm going to take these off and my legs are going to be bright.
Yes, whip them down. Whip them down.
Show some legs.
Go on, get some legs.
Look, I got the sweet socks as well. Yeah. Oh no, we're not blue yet.
Nice
not
and
blue
tan.
yet.
Nice and tan.
There you go. So that is. Whoa, listen to that slap.
Well, your phone.
Yeah, but it's iPhone 8. It's waterproof.
Oh, is it? Oh.
On that waterproof thing. That's what they say.
I know, waterproof
hope
thing.
so.
I don't think.
I mean, we'll find out. I mean, the irony is that when we go back, we won't be able to develop a sweat because we're on an e-bike.
We're on an e-bike, we can't
Which
walk.
is a positive,
It
because
is.
I don't want to sweat.
No.
Because I want to get to where I'm
we don't
going
need
dry.
to sweat.
Also, you wouldn't even know if you're sweating or not because we're all soaked.
I'm still real. It's more than fiction. This affliction, I'm numb.
So we've just come out of the museum. It has stopped raining, which is a nice change, but we are just drenched. My feet are wet through, my legs are so cold. But I do like the bike, so it was really fun on them. I liked it, because there's some little hills, and but yeah, we're going to head back. Where are all the bikes actually? Oh yeah, we're going to go and get back on them.
Make me feel like I'm still real. It's more than fiction. This affliction, I'm numb.
Check out the gunshot. Oh no!
Yeah, I know.
So we just got back.
Working now. How do you know whether it's working?
Because it was on the wrong setting. On the wrong setting. We just got back. How wet is everybody?
You know, story of my life.
On the wrong setting. On the wrong setting.
On the wrong
We're being photographed while we're filming. So yeah, we've got back. We're going to get a little bit dry, have some photographs taken.